बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 9 जून 2024 के अखबार में। फेडरल टैक्स ओम्बड्समैन सेक्रेटेरिएट 5A कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एवेन्यू इस्लामाबाद सिचुएशंस वैकेंट। Applications are invited from qualified/competent candidates for the following: contractual, the temporary regular post vacant in the Federal Tax Ombudsman Secretariat, a public sector organization, a hiring of services under Section 20 of FTO Ordinance 2000, serial number 1, name of post advisor, maximum age limit 65 years, number of post 5, fixed monthly salary, retired BS 20/21 rupees 2,40,000, retired BS 22 rupees 2,70,000. Place of posting may be posted anywhere in Pakistan: Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar, Quetta, Faisalabad, Sargodha, सियालकोट, गुजरांवाला, मुल्तान, एबटाबाद, सक्खर, हैदराबाद. Minimum qualification and experience: retired BS 20/21/22. Offices of the CSS. Occupational groups preferably Customs/Inland Revenue Service/retired district and session judges/retired registrar of courts/tribunals with experience of handling Customs/income tax/sales tax and federal excise cases with minimum 20 years experience in government/semi-government relating to tax policy, tax administration, preferably in Customs/income tax/sales tax matters. Number 2, assistant, maximum age limit 40 years, number of post 8, fixed monthly salary rupees 45,000. Place of posting: Islamabad 4, Faisalabad 1, Karachi 2, Mianwali 1. Qualification and experience: number 1, graduate, number 2, 6 weeks basic 2 training course including MS Office will be preferred. Number 3, junior clerk 2 3, number of post 3, rupees 42,259. Place of posting: Lahore 2, Faisalabad 1. Qualification: metric. Number 2, typing speed 30 words per minute. Number 4, नायब कासिद. नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट हैं 2, रुपीज़ 33,500. सैलरी होगी 33,500. इस्लामाबाद 1, हैदराबाद 1. डोमिसाइल प्रेफरेबली लोकल बेस्ड प्राइमरी पास. कैंडिडेट हु विल बी possessing requisite job experience in a government organization will be preferred. Number 5, चौकीदार 30 years 1, rupees 33,500. Mianwali 1, primary pass. Number 6, cook 25 years, number of post 1, rupees 33,500. Islamabad 1, primary pass with essential cooking experience. अच्छा जी. नंबर B, temporary regular post, serial number 7, number of name of post lower division clerk BS 11. age limit ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है including 5 years, general age relaxation 18 to 30 years. number of post 4, domicile Punjab 3, open merit 1, women quota 1, minority quota 1, AJK 01. place of posting Islamabad 4. minimum typing speed of 30 words per minute, computer literate. Number 4, in case of selection 3 weeks basic IT training course including MS Office is mandatory from NITB before completion of probation period. General information/instructions: appointment against as serial number 1 से लेकर 6 shall be made purely on contract basis under Section 20 of FTO Ordinance 2000 for a period of 6 months to 1 year, extendable on performance basis. Appointment against temporary post mentioned at serial number 7 shall be made on regular basis Applicants already in government service shall provide NOC from their respective organizations at the time of test/interview. Persons who already applied in pursuant to our previous and advertisements shall apply afresh. Age relaxation to the candidates applying against regular post serial number 7 shall be allowed as per policy of federal government. Number of posts can be increased/decreased as per requirement. Interested candidates meeting the requisite qualification/experience/skills criteria for the post mentioned from serial number 1 to 3 and 7 may apply online at http://www.fdo.gov.pk/FLO jobs. Only online applications will be considered against these positions. Uploading of passport size picture with clear visibility of face is compulsory for submission of online application. For post mentioned from serial number 4 to 6, candidates shall directly submit the applications clearly mentioning the post applied along with attested photocopies of CNIC educational certificate/degrees, domicile, 1 passport size recent picture etc. by post/courier to Federal Tax Ombudsman Secretariat, 5A Constitution Avenue, Islamabad. The name of post applied must clearly be mentioned on the top right corner of envelope. The applications must be submitted within 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. 9 जून 2024 को जंग अखबार का ऐड है ये. Applications received after last date incomplete/not properly applied etc. will not be considered. All qualified male and female candidates are encouraged to apply for vacancies. Only shortlisted candidates shall be called for test/interview. No TA/DA shall be admissible for appearing in test/interview. Mohammad Farhan Khan, Director Admin, Federal Tax Ombudsman Secretariat, 5A Constitution Avenue, Islamabad. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो.
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.